The taxonomic classification of ichthys species is domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hemiptera, suborder Heteroptera, family Lygidae, genus Spilostetus, and species Spilostetus pandurus.
Distinguishing feature of Spilostetus pandurus: coloration. Reddish orange background. The most prominent feature is the overall reddish orange or orange-brown coloration of the body, particularly on the pronotum, the area behind the head, and the corium, the main part of the hemelytra. Black markings. Contrasting black markings are present, including large black spot on hemelytra, black pronotum markings, black legs and antennae, and the body shape and structure. They have elongated oval shape. The body is elongated and somewhat oval in shape, typically of sea bugs. Hemelytra. The hemelytra are membranous at the tips and have a distinct pattern, with the black spot being the most noticeable. Prominent eyes. The eyes are relatively large and prominent, and their size of Spilostetus pandurus is a medium-sized bug, usually ranging from 10 to 15 mm in length.
And the habitat and distribution, there are sea in South Asia and beyond. It was widely distributed in South Asia, including the Philippines, and can also be found in other parts of Asia and Australia. There are CM plants associated typic found on plants, particularly those with seeds or fruits they can feed on. Feeding habitats. They primarily feeds on seed and plant juice, making a common sight on various plants. While both are seed bugs, Spilostetus pandurus can be distinguished from Lygeus squistris by coloration. Lygeus squistris generally has more striking black and white pattern rather than the reddish orange of Spilostetus pandurus, and distribution like Lygeus squistris is primarily found in Europe and parts of Asia, while Spilostetus is more common in South Asia.